video is a game changer in the online business world. But if you're like most businesses, you're confused about what types of videos to make or even what to say on video. And I can bet you have an awesome smartphone in your hands, but you just aren't sure how to film yourself with that phone in a way that makes you feel confident and great and beautiful, right? And then in the meantime, you're surfing the web and you're seeing all these other businesses make these cool videos. So then you either, one, dabble in this whole video thing and just push record like what everyone says you should, but then you aren't seeing results, or two, you just feel left behind and overwhelmed because this whole video thing is just completely outside of your comfort zone. And at the same time, you don't want to waste your time trying to figure this out by trial and error and all of that stuff, right? So you're pushing video aside for that one day when you have time in your super busy life to get to it. But I want you to imagine this. Imagine you know exactly what to say that'll have your ideal client connect with you and, yes, skyrocket your know, like, and trust factor. Imagine that when you push record, you actually love seeing yourself on video, seriously. And imagine that this one video is working for you and making you sales for years to come. Yes, you only have to make this video once. So, you know how you're pushing video aside for that one day when you get to it in your super busy life? Well, you know what? Today, my friend, is that one day, because I want to help you by showing you step by step how to make a video for your homepage, a video that converts your ideal client into a customer. So why do you need a homepage video? Okay, let's go over the reasons. Number one, people don't read our content in our tone. They read it in their tone, and their tone has baggage. So let's say your ideal client goes onto your website, but they're having a pretty bad day. They're exhausted, they're stressed out. Maybe they have a migraine or back pain. Maybe they have crazy kids around them. And so when they go to your site, they're gonna read your text in that tone that they are feeling. It's not gonna be a cheery voice. It's going to be, hey, I'm such and such, blah, blah. I show you how to do this, blah, blah, okay? And they're just gonna skim through. As opposed to a video where they push play and they actively see you smile at them. You're looking at them straight in the eyes and they can hear the tone in your voice, confidently and cheerfully telling them, hey, I can make your life better. That is the difference. Reason number two, you'll make more money. Research shows that 64% of customers say they're more likely to buy a product after watching a video about it. Reason number three, your website is gonna rank higher on search engine results. And here's why. Because they're watching your video, they're staying on your website longer, which tells those search engines, she must have a pretty cool website if they're actually staying on there. I am all about making evergreen videos. That way your videos are like your twin selling for you 24/7 on demand, which means you can sit back and relax while you have raving customers and get to spend more time with those you love, which I am all about. I'm a mom of 2 young boys. I want to spend time with them. For the last 15 years, I've helped businesses double and even triple their revenue with video. And I want to do the same for you by giving you my lucrative homepage video course. This is going to make a huge impact in your business. The online course follows my MAP method to lucrative videos. MAP method stands for messaging, artistry, and promotion. And when you have those 3, you will have a lucrative video, which is defined as making a bigger impact and more money in your business. Okay, so module 1 is all about nailing down your messaging. This way, your ideal customer quickly connects with you. It's here where you'll also script your homepage video so you can convert your viewer into a customer. And you get a bonus of my proven templates that you can literally fill in the blank, kind of like those Mad Lib books that we had as a child. Pretty cool. Module 2 is artistry. It's here where you'll learn the tools to film yourself like a pro on your phone, how to deliver your message so you look confident and natural, and even how to edit your video on your phone, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. Module 3 is promotion. I walk you through where to put your homepage video and even how to repurpose it for social media. And I want you to get this so you can do it right the first time, so you can convert your viewers into customers, boost your know, like, and trust factor. Can you tell I am so excited for you? So just click the link below. You'll get immediate access to it, and I cannot wait to see you there.